KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology Autonomous. 23rd place in Outstanding Engineering Colleges of Excellence in India's Top Engineering Colleges 2020 survey conducted by CSR Competition Success Review Ranking. 77th place in Top 100 Private Engineering Institute Ranking 2020. 88th place in Top Engineering Institute Ranking 2020 conducted by Times Engineering Institute Ranking Survey 2020. The vision of this college is to become a premier institute of academic excellence by imparting technical, intellectual, and professional skills to students for meeting the diverse needs of industry, society, the nation, and the world at large. And the mission is commitment to offer value based education and enhancement of practical skills, continuous assessment of teaching and learning process through scholarly activities, enriching research and innovative activities in collaboration with industry and institute of repute, ensuring the academic process to uphold culture, ethics, and social responsibility. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. User is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered are Computer Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Civil Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Biomedical Engineering, and Chemical Engineering. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments: for OC 171 to 182, for BCM 134 to 164, for BC 166 to 172, for MBC 141 to 162, and for SC 84 to 111. The facilities are KPR IET Fitness Centers functioning in the college campus. This is open to all staff and students. A separate physical fitness center is also available for women. The center focuses on its attention on maintaining and developing physical fitness, weight reduction, and bodybuilding. The other equipments like treadmill, bicycle ergometer, rolling machine are also available to develop aerobic fitness. Sports: 400 meter athletic standard track 1, badminton court indoor 4, basketball court 2, ball badminton court 2, chess indoor 1, volleyball court 2, cricket ground 1, cricket nets 2, football field 1, gym indoor 1, handball court 2, throwball court 2, hockey field 1, kho court 2, kabaddi court with mat 1, kabaddi mud court 2, table tennis court indoor 3, and tennis court 2. Hostels: the college has full-fledged accommodation and boarding facilities for boys and girls. A dedicated canteen will offer a nutritionally balanced diet for the students, and all activities will be overseen by qualified wardens. And the other facilities are foreign language training, transport, community services, and student clubs 20. Placement at KPR IIT: 625 job offers and 10 offers for 10 lakhs per annum, 21 offers for 6 lakhs per annum, 66 offers for 4 lakhs per annum, 180 offers in core companies, and 348 offers above 3 lakhs per annum offers. And the super dream companies above 10 lakh per annum: Cray, DirectEye, Think and Learn, PayPal, Amazon, JustPay, Freshworks, American Megatrends, Mindtree, Voonic. And dream companies with salary 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum: Zoho, Kumaran Systems, Sintel, EMD Systems, Real Image, ChargeBee, Infoview, Embed UR, Odessa Technologies, Blackboard, Uber, Verizon, Athena Health, Fabulist, Rently, Botmind, Code Brahma. And the placement record for the year 2019-2020, total offers were 625. Number of students interested for placement is 545, and the number of students placed were 545 with 100% placement percentage. The result comparison from 2013 to 2018: 80% in 2013, 67 in 2014, 77 in 2015, 81 in 2016, 65 in 2017, 67 in 2018. College counseling code is 2764. Contact college at 914222263560. Website is www.kpriet.ac.in. College is located in Arasur, Coimbatore 641407. Mail ID is info@kpriet.ac.in.